Welcome on my YouTube channel Post Ads Pakistan. Before start today video, I request to all of viewers to please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Let's come to our today video.
Maryland, your car donation car help a veteran in need. Vehicle for veterans is provided to offer a simple alternative to selling or trading in your unwanted vehicles for veterans support programs that help disabled veterans and other veteran programs. Donate your car, truck, motorcycle, SUV, RV, or boat today. Our charity car donation program. Our vehicle donation processed in quick and easy and will allow you to eliminate the hassle of selling your vehicles. At the same time, we take care of all of the work for you. Get the most out of your donations. Our car donation program offers you fast free pickup and towing of all vehicles running or not. We pick up vehicles anywhere in Maryland including Baltimore, Silver Spring, Annapolis, and even Washington DC. Professional service with a simple and easy vehicle donation process. The maximum possible tax deduction for your vehicle donation to charity. Acceptance of most vehicles as are donations whether they are running or not. Help veterans when they return home. Veterans and their families can take advantage of all the benefit Americans veterans have available to them. There are programs and services that veterans is America can take advantage of. Helping everyone is a challenge, but is it once you can help with? All you have to do is donate your car. Donate a vehicle today and let your vehicle help a veterans in need. To schedule your vehicle donations, please complete three easy steps and see how easy your vehicle's donations to vehicles for veterans really is. For amended scheduling for your vehicle's donations, please call 1-877-646-3295 to speak with a number of our staff. Our representative here are here to answer any questions you may have. Alternatively, fill out an online donation form and you will be contacted by a member of our staff within 24 hours of the next business day. Save your tax deductible that received for next year's tax. Any donation received before 11:59 p.m. on December 31 count for that tax year. A wild donation to vehicles for veterans may not seem like much to you, but it can really make a difference in the life of our veterans. Your vehicle donations can help provide needed service to veterans. Donate your vehicle and give back to disabled veterans. Of the 19.6 million veterans in the US, many require support that comes from your vehicle donation. To donate your vehicle, call or fill out the form below. Best car donations in Maryland. Fast free pickup in 84 hours. Best tax deductions. Choose your favorite non-profit. How to donate a car in Maryland. With more than 30 years of experience, Car to Charities has the expertise in making vehicles donations elsewhere than ever. Car to Charity is designed to provide donors with a simple, fast, and secure way to donate their vehicles in Maryland. In is in most cases, we accept all make models and types of vehicles, while car and trucks donations are our most popular type of donations. We also accept motorcycle, golf cars, and motor house. Step 1: Preparing for the process. You will start the process of donating your car in Maryland by collecting the vehicle clear certificate of titles and registrations. If you have misplaced your title or registrations, do not worry, we can help. Please find your vehicle identifications number VIN, and together we can determine which supplementary paperwork you will need to complete at the time of pickup. As the time you will also want to decide which charity you want your proceed to go to being to begin. Take a look at our cases tab. We organize our charities based on their missions. If you have a soft spot for our fairy friends, the animal rescue of your choice would greatly benefit from your donation. For you would rather have a donation benefit people in need. These charities range from homeless shelters to medical research. Fair, you are passionate about supporting our veterans with a donation. Now, if decided on just one charity is too hard, we can help. You can just say car to charity you choose for me. Simple. Let us know. Step 2: scheduling your pickup. Give us a call at 855 520 5100 or complete an online donations. Our friendly donation coordinator will gather your vehicle's information and get together. We will decide the most convenient time, date, and location for the pickup. Then we will send you an email that gives you step by step instruction to prepare you for the pickup. Before arriving, our tow truck driver will call you 1 hour before you call, give you time to collect paperwork and prepare the vehicle for towing. At the time of the pickup, make sure your title is signed to clear of any land holding. You will hand over and the title and registration to the tow truck driver. Step 3: maxi max maxi donations. We take the reins at this point to maximize the donations for board or donor and charity. We do this by assessing the vehicles and adding value to increase the selling price of the cars. In such situations, many people dream about a successful way to support a case you care about without the work involved. Benefit of donating to charity.
Thanks for watching video, but before to go, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.